Voice of the one them call Case from Jamaica. Alongside the small axe, Jesse Royal. By any means.
Say a prayer for the ones in the street. By any means we have feet with family. Hustle every day, cause that's the policy. Rasta now wait for parliament or police. Say a prayer for the ones in the street. By any means we have feet with family. And come to justice if you touch it, picking it. We not gonna wait for parliament or police.
Rule 1 don't have to be fed. Rule 2 don't ramp with the bread. Down a yard man I get can over 2 bills and a few eggs. Rule 3 careful of ends. Not to mention who you call friend. My advice don't go push war. Try fi push ganja instead. Try create generational wealth. £100 can buy you 2 Benz. Set up shop with the track dividends and hire people who wish you well. Please Jack never stray my meds. Keep me focused, protect my head. When I rise up out of my bed, I pray for health, more wealth and strength.
Say a prayer for the ones in the street. By any means we have feet with family. Hustle every day, cause that's the policy. Rasta now wait for parliament or police. Say a prayer for the ones in the street. By any means we have feet with family. And come to justice if you touch it, picking it. We not gonna wait for parliament or police.
Every day in the streets you have be cautious. That's why for me blicky travel with me not the saucer. You them out of road I move like soccer panny corner. From we have life we chant Sata Masagana. Evil cannot harm us. My laugh and eat some harmless. Poolside with me empress who looks so gorgeous. We give thanks for what His Majesty has brought us. Hustle so the family copacetic regardless. So we
say a prayer for the ones in the street. By any means we have feet with family. Hustle every day, cause that's the policy. Rasta now wait for parliament or police. Say a prayer for the ones in the street. By any means we have feet with family. And come to justice if you touch it, picking it. We not gonna wait for parliament or police.
But you know, we need to change this rhetoric. We need to stop hiding the part of Rastafari where it's prosperity and wealth and health and wisdom.